Alright, my name is Paul, I'm from Singapore. Yeah, today I'm here to share with you how to upsell your clients and upselling opportunity for your clients as well. Right, I was asked to share on quite a lot of topics actually, CRM, tools, upselling opportunities, how to site sell and do many other things. So I'm only given half an hour, so I'm going to squeeze everything I can, right, so you could benefit most. Now, I've been with SFP for the last 3 conferences. Right, so this is the 3rd conference, made many friends here, so very good to see all of you here. Right? As with the last 3 years, this is yet another installment of education, encouragement, and empowerment. Alright? So to start off with you, first question is, what is upselling? Alright, today we'll address this issue, what is upselling? Why is to actually increase your sales. Okay? Now, who is best at upselling? So, if you want to learn upselling, we'll learn from the best, right? And when to upsell, okay? Where to upsell and how do we upsell, okay? Now, bottom line, why we upsell is also to increase our revenue and income. So let's watch this clip here. Shannon, could you help me click on the click?
But the one thing I can't stand about fast food chains is all the upselling of it.
Oh, the whole, would you like fries with that thing?
Well, I don't do that so much anymore. These days it's more like, I ask for a Big Mac, and then they try to upsell you to a whole meal.
As if a burger wasn't fatty enough.
Yeah, but my question is, how much do you have to order before they stop trying to upsell you? For instance, let's say you order every single item on the menu. Can I please have a small Coke? A medium Coke? Yeah, a large Coke. A small Diet Coke. Medium Diet Coke. A large Diet Coke. A small Sprite. A medium Sprite. A chicken Caesar roll. A Thai chicken roll. A chicken tandoori roll. A warm crispy cut chicken salad.
Crispy cut chicken salad and dressing.
All of them? All 3? 6 nuggets? 10 nuggets? 10 nuggets? White cone? What kind of clothes do you have? I'll take all 3 actually. A Big Mac, value meal? A large?
So with the nuggets, what sauce do you want?
All of them.
Oh,
A fillet fish meal? Large? And a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Yeah. Sorry? I should probably know. Yeah, what the hell? How much is all that? Oh, Jesus. I got like $20.
Right. So how about that? You know, you order everything in the menu, and then they still ask you, do you want a meal to go along with it? Alright? Now, as we observe this, what we have observed, right, McDonald's, they're very good at upselling. But the question is why and how do they do it? Right? Now, it's actually in the CRM system, that cashier there. When you order a cheeseburger, you punch that button, immediately it prompts, do you want a meal with it? Right? So it's not that, you know, all of us have experienced it. You walk into McDonald's, they greet you, welcome to McDonald's, right? And you ask order price, you ask you whether you want to upsize, right? Your meals, they ask you want to upsize. So this is something that we learned from McDonald's. Now, compared to McDonald's, how about Ramly Burger? Which one is the better burger? Ramly Burger, right? All you feel Ramly Burger is better. But you see, Ramly don't have a CRM system that does this. Right? Imagine if Ramly Burger just asked a question like this: do you want double eggs on your burger? Do you think the business will grow? Right? So it could just improve dramatically just by the way you ask or the way you process your businesses. Right? So CRM systems are very important. They are first step to identifying upselling opportunities. Okay? So how we do it? Now, CRM systems, there are basically 3 components. First one will be marketing. Right? You need to have a CRM system that helps you in marketing. The second component will be a sales process, and the third component would be servicing your client. So once you have these 3 areas, basically this is what we do day in, day out for the last decade, right? Marketing, sales, and service your clients, right? So how many of you do it differently? No, right? Now, first of all, let's look into marketing. Okay, marketing is basically to outreach and to communicate with your clients. So these are marketing physics. There are 3 ways to increase your revenue. So how many ways to increase your revenue? 3 ways, right? So let's look at the 3 ways. First way is to increase the number of clients, right? Second way is to boost your average sales size. So the dollar value needs to increase. And the third way is to increase the frequency of reorder. Okay, so let's study into this marketing physics first. Right, this is the formula. So the marketing formula is first you need your target audience. So you need to identify who is your target audience first, and then look at your conversion ratio. Okay, if today I hold a seminar for 100 person and I can only convert 5 people, that's 5% for conversion ratio. So this 5 people will become 5 clients, right? So if I have a better way of converting them to clients, then I have an improved number of clientele, right? Now the second component would be your dollar value. If you can increase your dollar value, again, you will increase your revenue. Third component, frequency. Let's do a simple worksheet, alright? Here's an example of having 10 clients, right, and $1,000 each, okay? And they do this business with you once a year. So what you have at the end of the year is a $10,000 revenue. Agree? Now, imagine if you improve 10% in productivity. So instead of 10 clients, you have 11 clients that year, right? And the business is 1,100, and frequency is improved to 1.1 times. So instead of servicing your clients every 12 months, you do it every 11 months. Okay? Now, your revenue would then increase to 13,310. Effectively, that is a 33.1% increase in revenue, but you only increase 10% in productivity. Okay? Now, the other area will be component change. What if you could double your clients? Right? So in a seminar situation, instead of 10 clients, you have 20 clients, right? Becoming your clients, you will actually double your revenue as well. Okay? The other component, what if 50% increase in clientele, but increase in frequency, all of them buy twice a year from you, right? And you can see that's a 300% increase, so that's 30,000 revenue. So it's about adjusting and looking at where you can improve these different components in your whole process, all right? And it's pretty simple. It's just like Ramly Burger. If you were to ask just one question, do you want double eggs on your burger? Okay? So let's see what else we can do. Now, the question is, who sold the most toys in the world? Toys R Us? How many say Toys R Us? Right? Wrong answer. It is still McDonald's. Okay? Now, McDonald's are really good. Why did they sell the most number of toys in the world? It's because of this thing called bundling. Okay? Now, this is what Malaysia is having right now, Monsters and Aliens. Right? The question is, how many toys do they sell? There are 8 of them, right? So when a kid wants to collect all of them, what happens? So McDonald's has effectively improved their frequency by how many times? Wrong! 16 times, because they didn't bring their parents along. Right? But thinking that they only sell toys for children, is that true? What about this one? You all recognize this thing? Hello Kitty? Right? All over the world, people queue, right? All the way, especially in Tokyo, Japan, right? The queue is long. Singapore, same thing. Malaysia, also same thing. So who buys them? Adults or children? Adults, right? Right now in Singapore, they sell crockeries as well. Okay? Right? And I do have a colleague. She asked me to bring her to McDonald's. Right, because I need to eat a meal with her to get more cups. That happens. Right, so again, bundling is a very good process to improve your business frequency. Okay, now how do we apply this in our business? Right, we can upsell to our clients. So you've got a client. Now, does the client have got a family, a spouse, girlfriend, right, parents, right, and their children? So you can actually improve it by having a bundling kind of plans. Right? In Singapore, we've got programs that if husband and wife buy, children get free. So that improves your frequency to get the husband or wife to purchase the plan as well. Alright, so that is for product providers here. You can do something about your plan to help improve this bundling effect. The other area of the CRM cycle is the sales process. Right? So let's look at sales process. Sales process is basically skills and knowledge and acquisition of clientele. Alright? So skills